In this video, we're going to show you one of the lightest travel power chairs on the market today. What we have here is the Journey Air Elite. This is by Journey. This unit weighs 29 pounds, 29 total pounds. If you take the battery off, it is only 26 pounds. This is a lithium battery. This is approved for all types of transportation. It's going to get about 9 miles on a full charge and go about 3.7 miles an hour top end speed. But do remember, this is a 240 pound weight capacity. So it's 240 pound weight capacity, is approved for all transportation. It is only 29 pounds with the battery and the joystick. You do see a lot of gimmicks online. They're going to give you a weight without the battery, without the joystick, without the foot plate. Pretty sure this whole unit is 29 pounds while it is fully assembled. So this unit does fold up. It is made out of carbon fiber. This unit does have 6.5-inch solid wheels on the front, and it is going to have 10.5-inch solid wheels in the back. It has dual motors. They're 150 watts each. Once again, like I said, it's as good as it gets for as light as you get on the market. So there's really 29 pounds. I'm not joking. I mean, you can even see how it folds up just by me lifting on it. That is as light as you're going to really find on the market that's still worth the dollar value that this thing runs at. So once again, carbon fiber, the solid wheels. It does say it's going to have a 6-degree climbing angle. They even do get some really cool specs that other manufacturers don't. It said 39.3 inches is what you need to stop if you're going at a full speed. So I thought that was very interesting. A lot of places don't mention that. Now, in between the armrests, you're 17.5 inches in between the armrests. They say online 18 inches seat to ground height, and you are 18 inches seat to ground height. Width of the seat, you're just under 17 inches on the cushion, and the depth is from the backrest to the front about 16.5 inches. It's all going to depend on if you're flexing the backrest or the backrest. But if you're actually sitting on it, you're going to flex that backrest a little bit, and then you're probably 17.5 inches in depth. Now, this unit is very easy to get. When you get it, it's very easy to unbox and assemble this unit. These footrests do flip up. For easy access, you can pull this pin and slide these leg rests off as well if you want, but they do come on and off very easily. There's no tools needed to do that. So the battery is located over here on the side of the unit. You can push this button and the battery actually then lifts up and off. This battery is 3 pounds. You are able to charge this battery off the unit, which is really nice. You don't have to have any special docking device. The charger will plug right in here to the unit, or you can plug it right here underneath the joystick. On this joystick, you have a built-in USB right here, and then also on your battery pack, if you had this charged, you have a built-in USB port right here as well. So if you had extra batteries, lost power, whatever, needed to charge your cell phone, you are able to do that with that battery as well. So I think that's kind of really cool and unique about this battery here. Armrests do flip up on both sides. You are going to have a little bit of obstruction here, so it's not going to be a completely flat back when you flip the armrest, but both sides do flip up. The joystick can be mounted on either side. Right now it is currently on the right hand side, but there is a slot on the left hand side if you do want to put the joystick on that side. Now I'm going to show you here, you are able to fold this up with this seat cushion on, because I did it a minute ago, but it does fold up a little bit easier without the cushion on. The cushion just sits with Velcro, so if you reach underneath here under the front, you can actually pull this little cushion off. Now do remember, you can leave that cushion on there. You can actually put whatever cushion you want on here. So if you desire an air cushion, a gel cushion, some thicker foam cushion, you are able to put that cushion on this as well. Just do remember, if you do sit a little bit higher, there is no adjustability for the armrests in height or width. So do make sure you're not going to get a cushion too high, and then you might be sitting, non-proportional to the chair. But once you have the bottom cover off to the side, you do actually have 2 handles right here, and you can lift it up just like you would a manual chair, and then you can see this is what you're looking at. Even these back things over here, the back posts are able to flip down. So, I mean, if you look total height, people ask that all the time, well, what's the height of it? To the top of the joystick is 30.5 inches, but honestly, this thing is only, less than about 10 inches when it's folded up. By, even with your foot plates on, 34 inches in total length, maybe 34.5. you took your foot plates off, you could probably get that even shorter. You could probably get that down to about 27 inches. So do remember those numbers. If you want to stand it up, 31 inches is kind of what you need, but you can always lay this down flat because it's only less than 10 inches in total width. Basically, to open it back up, just go ahead, push the seat back down, take your armrests in the back, flip them back up. Then from there, take your cushion, Velcro your cushion back on, and then Velcro it back here down on the bottom. So once again, to recap, this is the Journey Air Elite, 29 pounds with the battery, 26 pounds without the battery, 240-pound weight capacity, 3.7 miles an hour top end speed, and it's going to get you about 9 miles on a full charge. Do remember, this is approved for all types of transportation. Even a cruise ship that says you need 22 inches or less, this is really 22.8 inches in overall width, but you could fold it, slide it right through the door, and then expand it again. So really, you could take this anywhere. This is going to be a great unit for somebody that is 240 pounds and under that wants to travel. So now you can go ahead and you can follow us outside. I'm going to drive it around so you can kind of see what I look like sitting in this chair. This is the Journey Air Elite. This is their lightest weight power chair. So this one is not made for power. It's not made for speed, but it's simply made to be light and easy for somebody to transport. It is carbon fiber. It is 29 total pounds. This particular unit with the battery outside of it is going to be 26 pounds. But once again, I'm 220 pounds. This has a 240-pound weight capacity. I mean, foot plates, they are carbon fiber, so I wouldn't recommend pushing too hard off of them. But if you're looking for something lightweight and portable, something you could take on cruises and planes, and you can only lift 26 pounds, go ahead and take a look at the Air Elite by Journey. This would be a fantastic unit for you.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.